Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw a drum while we learn Spanish. This is a very easy drawing. Easy in Spanish is fácil. By the way, drum in Spanish is tambor. We are almost finished. These are the drumsticks that in Spanish is said BAQUETA. These are musical notes that in Spanish is said nota musical. Let's go with the eyes. Eyes in Spanish is OJOS. We draw his smiling mouth. Mouth in Spanish is said BOCA. Now let's fill the drawing with color. We use red. Red in Spanish is ROJO. Now we use gray, which in Spanish is GRIS. Let's go with the blue color. That is said AZUL. Now let's use the brown. That in Spanish is said MARRÓN. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing!